Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the WR3 Plus wireless anemometer kit. The WR3 Plus features a wireless anemometer, handheld display and everything required to magnetically mount both items. The WR3 anemometer provides accurate wind speed, temperature and air pressure measurements and sends the information wirelessly to the display up to 500 meters away. The unit features an audible and visual wind speed alarm, is IP67 rated waterproof, impact resistant, and has 64 GB of internal memory, able to record data for up to 1 year. The handheld unit is easy to navigate and displays live weather data, including current and hourly wind records and historical bar charts for the past 12 hours, as well as average wind speed, maximum wind speed, ambient temperature, a Beaufort bar graph, wind chill and atmospheric pressure. In the box there's the wireless sensor, the wind cups that simply click into place. Features of the sensor include the cups on the top, the temperature and atmospheric pressure sensor just below, and the weighted bottom cap with a 1/4 inch threaded hole for mounting. There's some paperwork including a user guide and a certificate of conformity, batteries for the receiver, magnets for the sensor and receiver to pair with the magnetic sensor mounting bracket and receiver holder, the receiver antenna, the magnetic sensor mounting bracket to attach the sensor to any iron or steel surface and keep it perpendicular to the ground. This comes with an Allen key to adjust the sensor bracket, the magnetic receiver holder, and last of all, the receiver. Features of the receiver include the antenna mount on the top, a slip-proof rubberized case for extra durability, the large LCD screen, an LED indicator, there's 8 easy-to-navigate buttons, these are settings, cancel return, and to confirm, power, and up, down, left, right selection keys. There's a micro USB port on the side, and lastly the battery compartment on the back. And that's what comes in the box with the WR3 Plus wireless anemometer kit. For more videos on the WR3 Plus wireless anemometer kit, including a video demonstrating how to use and export data to a PC, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!